God does not just save the lost, he seeks the lost. You know, there's a difference between what God does and what the ambulance does. So the ambulance comes in response to your call. God is not an ambulance. He seeks. So when Zacchaeus was on the tree, thinking he's going to see Jesus, the Bible says, and Jesus stood where Zacchaeus was, and he saw him, and he called him by name. Zacchaeus. He didn't say, hey, you shorty. He said, Zacchaeus. Because he came there for Zacchaeus. The woman that came to fetch water from that well found Jesus because Jesus was waiting for that woman. You see, he asked the disciples to go because they could just make it difficult for him to interact with this woman. He could have gone elsewhere. Going through Samaria was not the only way. But he went there at the right time. For that woman, particularly for that woman. Because he seeks. If you have been found, it is because Jesus was sought for you. And when we reflect on our lives, it's something we have to do once in a while. And you just close your eyes and think where you are coming from. I promise you, you will see God's hand. That He's been leading me. He's been there. Even though I did not know. You look at events and incidents in your life, you know God has been there. This is not a mere accident, beloved. This is not your life.